Talofalava, my name is John.
And my name is Semisi.
And together we are Semisi and
Joseph.
John. Why Joseph?
Oh.
Today we're going to give you a little introduction on the Samoan village life.
Yes, if this is your first time here at the motherland,
And you know you're going to be staying in a village out in the Quabecs.
there are a few tips that you need to know to help you stay in the beautiful Kauai of Samoa, thebomb.com.
When you enter the village, the first thing you might notice is the Samoan houses, or the Fale Samoa.
Yes, the open-style housing are very practical due to the climatic conditions that Samoa possesses. This is because the approximate location...
Yeah. Everyone knows that the Samoan sun is very hot and humid. But know this, all the houses are open here. So what's my business is my business. And what's your business is his business. That guy over there's business, it's hers, him, the dog, that girl over there, your cousin, everyone's business.
Wow!
Hey, mother brother, just mind your business. When it's come to bedtime in the Fale Samoa, sometimes you don't have a luxury of have a big queen size, king size. Sometimes you just have the family size. Basically, it's the whole floor is your bed.
But if you're lucky, they might have a bed just for you, like this one.
Oh, it's
Really, I was in my bed.
No, this is my bed.
Ska, lunga nga, brother.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Okay, these are pillows. Oh.
But seriously, sleeping in an open fale is awesome. It's probably the best experience you'll ever have in village life.
And this is some other option for your sleeping arrangement when you come and sleep in the Fale Samoa. It's a fala, this fala or that fala. Do you know that fala?
Yeah.
Yeah, anyways. You know, it's very beautiful here, lying in the Fale Samoa. You have a nice little breezing coming through this side, and over that side you can look at the road and you see everyone's walking by, you know, they're having their little whaikakala, and you whaikakala to them while they whaikakala to each other. You got a flat screen TV all the way around. It's a panoramic. It's not just a bedroom, that's the other thing, eh? What?
It's a laundry room, it's a sitting room, it's a lying room, and it's a kitchen.
So once dinner ready, and you sit up. Yeah, thank you, and eat your food like this. Yeah, thank you, I'm finished, and then go back to sleep. When visiting your family in the village, bringing some goodies along is always a must, but not always expected.
My goodies, my goodies.
It's a nice little gesture for those family and friends you may not have seen for a little while.
It can be something as simple as coffee, tea, lollies. What lollies?
It's something as simple as a loaf of bread, or some loaves of bread, some chippies,
Some cloves?
some canned food, maybe a paelengi or something. We make some falaelengi. Yum.
Ooh, yum.
So yeah, those are some nice little goodies you can bring when you see your family. I think Auntie's waiting for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Hello. Hello, Auntie.
Cái màu béo à máy máy đáp à ini mak masih siap main kup aku main kapal mai aku pilih ya efek dia lah.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out part 2 of Village Tips Samoa.